Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. I'm Gina Kusuma, as author in the paper entitled An Efficient Clustering Approach in Electrical Energy Consumption Pattern. I'm a lecturer at Institut Teknologi PLN Jakarta, Indonesia, and I'm a PhD student at University Technical Malaysia, Malacca. Okay, now I will presentation our paper. So I will share our presentation. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Now I will presentation our paper in entitled An Efficient Clustering Approach in Electrical Energy Consumption Pattern. For published in international journal in Bulletin of Electrical Energy Informatics. So this is our team. This is mine, Dina Tiara Kusuma, and our team Nora Sikin Ahmad, Syarifah Sakina Syed Ahmad, Iriansa BM Sangaji, and Yozika Arfil. And we are from Institut Teknologi PLN Jakarta and the Fakulty Teknologi Maklumat and Komunikasi University Technical Malaysia. Okay. Now we start in introduction. The increasing demand for electrical energy present a dilemma for the electricity supply company, whose service consists of the distributing consumer electricity to ensure the multidiscipline sustainability social as the whole. Peak load analysis allows to as a power service provider company to strategy plan is the infrastructure organized power plant efficiency and the manage distribution network efficiently to the ensure consistent and the reliability electricity supply over given a period. And then the need electrical energy is increasing along with the increasing the population and human activity. Therefore, having the comprehensive to understand the electrical energy consumption pattern is very important. In the strategy and the monitoring the effective use of the energy resource. Therefore, having the comprehensive understanding of electrical energy for the consumption pattern is very important. And then in the strategy, in the monitoring the effectivity used of energy resource. Analysis of electrical energy consumption pattern can be done by using a clustering. Clustering is the method for that can be used to perform an analysis of electrical energy consumption pattern. And the clustering is the process of grouping data to the group of the cluster that have similar characteristic of the pattern. Industry and business, customer of electrical widely vary energy consumption pattern depending on the industry type, business size, and the operating hours. Clustering help the identify group of the customer with the similar consumption pattern, enabling deeper analysis and a more informed decision making in the energy management. This is very important. So the utility company can improve the efficiency of the energy capacity and the distribution planning by the grouping customer energy consumption based on the time. To minimize operational costs, maximize infrastructure use, and the private network overload. Previous clustering technique have been used in this very previous study to cluster electrical load patterns such as clustering Cummins and the subtractive clustering Cummins as one of the supervised clustering method certainly has different cluster result. From the clustering result in the subtractive clustering, which is an unsupervised clustering method, and then provide insight into the effectiveness and the advance of each algorithm in generate meaningful cluster from the peak log time. In addition, the performance of these two algorithms can be known by evaluating in the term of the computational time and the algorithm complexity. So this is our main contribution. The main contribution of this study are the finding of the study over practical suggestion regarding the mass efficient cluster technique to employ while the measuring electrical energy consumption and the result of this result provide valuable insight for the development of smart meter and then development smarter database energy management strategy, which can be widely applied to the improve sustainability and effectiveness of the energy use. And then this is our related work. That start the study conducted by Wang et al. In 2022, which the restrict the analysis of the user's power consumption behavior based on the Cummins result. And then in the classification of the user into 4 different types based on the power consumption behavior based on the number of cluster from the Cummins. And then in the 2022, the similar research on the electrical energy consumption has been conducted by Zhang et al. The research about the clustering analysis of the electricity consumption behavior took various traditional clustering algorithms, such as Cummins and fuzzy K-means, which result in the electricity user can be classified into the different category based on their electricity consumption behavior. And then Lopez et al. Lopez et al. Introduced to novel distance between our original time series and used them to construct fuzzy clustering procedure. This paper demonstrates the effectiveness of fuzzy subtractive clustering for the time series analysis. And then based on the characteristic of in this research, customer grouping do not describe the use of electrical energy in the certain time, while trend in energy consumption pattern describe the characteristic of the data based on the time series, so that this research quasi-subtractive clustering is one of the alternative that will be used with the Cummins algorithm for the clustering of electrical energy consumption data based on the consumption time. And then this is our research method. We start with data collection. In the data collection, the electrical energy consumption data option for the purpose of this study is the electrical energy consumption data for the low voltage business and the industry. And then in the 2020, collect by the automatic meter reader or AMR, system which they record every 15 minutes for the 7 day with the attribute content certain hour, time, day, date, hour, minutes, a second, voltage, current, active power, apparent, reactive, frequency, power factor. Data option from the automatic meter reader does not require any additional instrument. And then we follow to the data processing. Data processing, we start with the data cleaning. By cleaning a row, the data has been downloaded from the automatic meta reader. This data cleaning process is carried out by the filling the missing data part caused the blackout during data record. Unstable telecommunication network when the descending data electricity meter to the automatic meta reader. And then we calculate the missing value with the imputation using average value function in the missing attribute. And then in data transformation, by normalizing data is done by changing data into regular scale. Data discretion done by starting the data smaller interval, and then the data in this study is very 1 hour. So the number of the data record used is many as 168 data record. So this is a clustering process with the Cummins and the fuzzy subtractive clustering. We use two method for the clustering process. We will we have a compare the result of clustering in this method, and will be evaluated by the clustering method in the DBI, Davis-Bode Index. And then this is our result. The clustering is carried out by using 168 data record with the variable using being dead time, active power, and the apparent in the industrial and the business electricity customer data. This data is obtained from the recording electrical energy consumption for the 24 hour in the 7 days, as the results shown in this picture. The use of active power and the apparent variable. So the total capacity required the electrical system to operate the load profile on the overview of the energy consumption used by the electrical load to operate. The Cummins algorithm in this study was used from the 3 cluster. The namely is the using high, medium, and low electrical energy. This is figure. This figure display the clustering result using Cummins algorithm for industry and business customer electricity. And then this is a result from the fuzzy subtractive clustering algorithm. In the study, use the cluster radius value set using value of the 0.42 with the sequence factor of 1.5, and then accept a ratio 0.5 and the reject ratio 0.15. This picture or this figure display the clustering result using the fuzzy subtractive clustering algorithm for the industry, business, customer electricity. And then this is the graph for our discussion. In each group, and the industrial and the business customer, the best centered power factor is the in the second cluster, namely 0.97 for the industrial customer group, for the 0.91 for business group. When the power factor approach 1, it indicated that the electrical system is experiencing little or no energy waste and operating efficiently. Based on the result of clustering on the time of electrical energy used from the industrial and the business customer, the optional times for 7 days are shown in this picture. So this is our result in evaluation result obtained from the test, the conduct, the Cummins, and fuzzy subtractive clustering are present using Davis-Borden index in this table. Based on our result, we found that fuzzy subtractive clustering can generate a superior cluster. The value of the evaluation result obtained took the Davis-Borden index on the FAC algorithm is comparatively lower than that of the alternative method. So this is our conclusion. The finding that emerged from this research is the result of the clustering on the 7-day, 24-hour of electrical energy consumption data using apparent power factor and active power, so that the subtractive clustering that's a better cluster. As indicated by the DBA evaluation value of 0.2025 for the business customer group and the 0.31 for the industrial customer group. So that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.